In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do lateral raises with your elbows bent at 90 degrees on a Swiss ball. Now, firstly, you've got the weights in front of you. We're going to be working the shoulders in this exercise tutorial, and we're going to be doing lateral raises in a slightly different way than you might usually see in the gym. Now, firstly, when you've got these dumbbells in front of you, what I want you to do, especially if you've got heavy weights, is make sure that you pick up the weights first with a straight back, pop them on your knees, and then sit down onto the Swiss ball. Don't be lazy and just come into this position and start picking up the weights with a back that's completely bent. So I'm going to stand up, pick up the weights. I then come into a position where I sit on the ball. From here, what I want to do, feet just wider than hip width apart. I'm nice and upright, I'm engaging my core, and I'm going to bring my elbows into my sides. I want to make sure that I've got a nice 90-degree angle at the elbows. And from here, what I'm going to do is come directly up with my elbows. So what that looks like is this. Notice how I'm also rotating the weights. So they start off in this palms facing each other position, and they end with a palm facing down position. Each time I'm doing my repetitions, I'm trying to keep them slow and under control, and I'm coming up into a position where my elbow is in line with my shoulder, and I've still got that 90-degree angle at my elbows at all times during this motion. The added benefit of doing this on a Swiss ball is you've got that extra bit of proprioception to deal with. There's a little bit more balance in the exercise, a little bit more core and lower back engagement. If you find that your knees are getting in the way, what you can do is adopt a more narrow stance to give you a bit more room with the thighs. However, both variations going wider than hip width apart or narrow are absolutely fine to do in this exercise. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a 90-degree lateral raise on a Swiss ball.